Today we're going to explore Castles and Coasters, Arizona's premier amusement park. I've been coming here with my family since the 80s, and I was here when they first opened the roller coasters in the 90s. I'm so excited to share the experience today with my oldest son and with you. Make sure you smash the subscribe button for even more adventures. Ride Park doesn't open until the afternoon, so let's say hello to the captain and start with some mini golf. There are 4 18-hole courses, and they are all incredible. Let's take a look around. Some holes are pretty straightforward, but there's also no shortage of ramps and shortcuts along the way, too. We both made some unbelievable shots.
It's still going. It's still going. Are you kidding me? That was good.
After hole 18, we'll take the bouncy bridge right back to the castle. Let's return the clubs, say goodbye to the parrot, and then try out the Indy cars. Lil Indy is an incredible go-kart course underneath the main roller coaster. It opens before the main ride park too, so get here early. Really lucky to get a really fast go-kart. We actually lapped the entire field twice. Woo-hoo! Boats at the Monsoon Cove are also open early. Explore the lagoon while you're soaking your friends. There's a lot of really cool details to explore. didn't realize when the whistle sounds, this boat shoots water straight up into the air. I was too close and it got me good. Well, we have stopped to go have lunch. We went out to lunch. There's a Chick-fil-A very close and it's our favorite, so we decided to go do that. The rides open up at 2. We should get there in plenty of time to do all of that cool stuff. So let's clean up our mess and get going. Here we are just before 2, waiting for the ride park to open. Got a crew of us here all waiting for it to go so that we can hit up big roller coasters as soon as it hits. Make sure that you guys bring in your water bottles. Everybody's allowed a water bottle. With just water in it, do that and fill it up often because, oh my gosh, it is only 70 and it is hot. So bring your water. Make sure you do that. It's time! Let's head into the ride park rides and stuff. First up is the premier roller coaster, Desert Storm. There are 2 loops and a pair of tight helix turns.
Oh, that is steep! Woo!
Make sure you press your head back against the headrest. It jerks you around pretty good.
Just in Desert Storm, what did you think?
I love it.
Yeah? You want to go again or are you all done?
Splashdown is a log flume ride set among pirate treasure and water-shooting elephants.
I did! Well, that poor guy has seen better days.
You are sure to get soaked on the 2 drops.
It's only a lot scary, don't worry. How you feeling, buddy? Whoa! We're getting a little higher now. A little bit higher now. Whoa!
You should know that you're going to be sharing this lap bar with your neighbor, so if one of you is a lot bigger than the other, maybe hold on to them a little. And the outside seats go higher than the middle seats, so choose wisely.
Ah, kaboom! Oh!
I bet him a dollar he couldn't stay on his side. Just make sure the heaviest rider is on the outside seat. to go on the skydiver 17 times today. After seeing the park from 120 feet up, he changed his mind pretty quick. But check this out, he did it.
All right, Buster, are you nervous? Yeah? Oh, here we go. Hope you're not afraid of heights. Now remember, you just watched this go like 20 times, right? Everybody's perfectly safe, right? Don't get scared. It's just gonna fall and you're not gonna know when. That's okay. I am terrified. This is it. Just hold on tight, okay? You're totally safe. It's terrible.
So we've done a whole bunch of stuff, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What do we think about Desert Storm?
Love it.
Okay, how about the Patriot?
Love it.
Love it. How about the Ramrods, the bumper cars?
Love it.
How about the magic carpet right behind us?
Love it.
Yeah. How about Splashdown?
Love it.
Yeah.
Actually, like it. Love Splashdown.
Really? Why? Well, how come Splashdown's not as good?
Because and I really don't like how you can fly out of the boat and how there's no seatbelt.
Okay, that's fine. Sea Dragon.
Hate it.
What? Why do we hate the Sea Dragon?
How high it goes.
Don't like how high it goes?
Yeah.
Well, then let me finally ask you about the Skydiver, your very favorite ride. What do you think? Terrifying, but lots of fun. Okay. I thought it was weird. The Skydiver, the thing that creeps me out the most, is that the very top kind of angles up above you, so you can't tell when you're at the top. And since it releases you right away, you never know when it's going to happen. You just keep going up and up and up.
You hear a click.
You do hear a click, but I mean, at that point, it's too late. Let's see. So we did mini golf. We can't do the Skywire or the ropes. We're going to do the arcade and that. We did the Indy cars. Tell me about the Indy cars. Like it, not like it.
Love it.
Love it? Okay.
Both of those I love too because I got that too.
You got me very so. Free fall is like the little kids version of the free fall. You can do that if you want. Splashdown, we did Sea Dragon, we did Ramrods, Magic Carpet, Patriot, Skydiver. Yeah, buddy. Fun house. And then, the mini Skydiver, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go try those. Here we go.
If I'm honest, I wasn't really sure about this one, but they did a really thorough safety check and there's never been an incident. In fact, the safety record for castles and coasters over the past 30 years has been impeccable. I never do these rides, but I felt really safe here knowing how seriously they take safety.
Oh, that does not get better. That does not get better. That was genuine. That's a kid's ride. That was scary. That was terrifying. Why did they let children do that? My buddy has made a new friend and his dad. We are having a Battle Royale, so we'll see what happens. Here we are back at the bumper boats, still with my new buddy Luke and his son, who my son has decided is his best friend. Hanging out with my new buddies Luke and Ayan. Thank you. It was so nice to meet you guys. Thank you. Yeah.
Here we are back again, round 3. What is crazy, guys? This is like my parking spot right here in the front. I've gotten this parking spot 3 times. We came early, we were the first ones here, that was easy. And then we left for lunch, came back, spot was open. And then we just left for dinner, came back, spot was open right in the front. It's crazy. Anyway, this place open till 10, so we are gonna take full advantage. Come on with me. The arcade here is unreal, y'all. all the latest hits, all the staples, and all the best retro arcade classics. And a huge selection of pinball machines.
Yay! You win a ticket!
Now let's take it back outside for another round. Woo!
Thank you so much to Castles and Coasters for having us. We had such a great time. This was amazing. Make sure that you're checking out Castles and Coasters in Phoenix, Arizona. It is incredible. On top of a stacked arcade, too, by the way. Thanks again so much for having us. We are so grateful, and we will see all of you guys next time we ride the Teacups. Later, y'all.